In this video, we're going to be working with the spot healing brush tool. Now, the spot healing brush tool allows us to remove any blemishes or flaws in our image, and it's literally just located right here. So if we right click, as you can see, we've got options and we can select it by also pressing J on our keyboard. So from here, if we do a Control plus on our keyboard, and if we just scroll up a little, as you can see, we've got some blemishes to work with here. Now we can adjust our spot healing brush tool from these options here, and we can adjust the size, for example, the hardness and the spacing. Usually you want a hardness of 100%. This is more than enough to work with our images when retouching. And a good course of action to take is to also create a new layer. And from here, you want to ensure that sample all layers is selected. As for example, if we was to literally just click over some of our blemishes here, and we can actually decrease the size and increase by using squared brackets on our keyboard. And what sampled all layers allows is it allows us to retouch all visible layers and not just our active ones. So simply put, if we was to deselect this layer, as you can see, we've got our blemishes back again. So this is also really good to work with here. And we can also select type of mode we want to work with. Currently it's set to normal, but we can set it to lighten, for example, when working with our blemishes to add a more lighter retouch. And we could also set it to darken as well, like so. So again, as you can see, there's a lot of flexibility here, but usually normal will suffice when using our modes here. And we've also got the option of using a proximity match as well, which is, for example, if we was to select a blemish, like here, for example, it will make our adjustments based upon any pixels, surrounding pixels that are in close proximity to where we make our selections.